Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about multiplication command. How we can use the multiplication command in Siemens PLC S7-300. Let's start the topic. This is the interface of our schematic manager software, and here if you like to give the comment, for example, you can give the comments multiplication INST instruction. And this already I take the counter from the counter section. Here you can see this is the counter section. Here you can choose any counter. This is up down counter, this is only up counter, this is down counter. This is just only if I'm using for value give to our integer function, that multiplication. So double click on, and here if you like to take any input address, close contact, choose, and here we will give the address, for example, which address is upside MD10, that's we will choose, because of when increment will become at MD10, that value will be shown at this multiplication command. And here we will take MD15 for example, and here result we will take in MD20, and here we will take this I124.4 or any, we can just only for this close contact. And also one more insert, we will insert one more network here. At the down, after we will insert the network, and here we can choose the word logic, integer function, program control, word logic, comparator section. For example, we will take it here, any equal or not equal, this is greater than, or this we will choose one command for, and here I will take MD20, and here we will take MD40 or MD30, we can choose MD30, and here we will take one output to check our status of the multiplication command Q124.0. So this is greater than we choose, right? And we will download this program to PLC and just here you can see this is the 6 value, and I will give the value it here modify, and for example we like to multiply with 5. Okay, and click enter, and after you can see this 6 multiplied by 5, answer is 30, and our Q124.0 is Y on, because of our set point is here MD30 at 12. For example, we will increase this value, modify, and here we will put for 35 for example. Can see our output is now off, and this MD20 you can see here is a now 30. 6 multiplied by 5 is answer 30. But if I make this one modify with 2 multiply, after you can see here is the answer is 12, and output even will be not on, even this value will be not compared at the this q 124. For example, I give the signal at I0.0. Now 7 multiplied by 2 is answer 14. 8 multiplied by 2 16. 9 multiplied by 2 18. 10 by 2 20. 11 13 12 13 14 and 15. And now command which we are using for what any means, if this will be greater than 35, after this output needs to be on. So we again give one more 17, and when give the 18, after you can see this 35 value we make set point, and this is the greater than 35, this value is the 36, so output is off. But as you will give the decrease, for example I 124.1, when you give signal, after this will be go down value, and your output will be off. And basic, when you like to understand this one, can 8 multiply by 2, any value when comes at the MD10 or at the MD15, or which value you will be decided according to this value multiplication, this command will be work. So hope guys this multiplication command you will be understand. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.